Valens Research, Uniform Financial Analytics.
Starbucks is really powerful, and part of the reason why it's powerful is what they've done in terms of the focus on basically the Starbucks cash and the rewards card, right? And how basically at this point, Starbucks is as much of a bank as it is in a payment processing firm as it is a coffee company. And so because of that, right, banks carry a lot of cash on their balance sheet. They carry a lot of investments. That's caused Starbucks as reported ROAs to artificially fall. That cash on their balance sheet is not their operating cash. In reality, that cash is basically deposits from other people. We deal with that like we deal with any excess cash. When we look and we say, hey, let's understand how much of that cash they really need to operate and how much of that cash is actually non-operating cash, right? You can look here in terms of the adjustments that we make for Starbucks on their ROA. In terms of their asset base and their earnings. And what you'll see once this loads is you've got a company that basically between goodwill, right, and right in terms of understating their actual thing and unearned revenue and other factors, you've got a company that's asset base is massively overstated. And so once we make those adjustments, what we can realize is that Starbucks isn't a company with declining ROAs. Starbucks is a company with accelerating ROAs. And all of a sudden, that 30 times PE that Starbucks trades at, which when you look at declining ROAs for the business might terrify you, what you can say is okay, they're seeing an inflection in their business. ROAs actually ramped significantly last year and are forecasted to continue to ramp. Well, expectations certainly aren't low for Starbucks. All of a sudden, you're having a conversation where you can understand the why. Right, when you're looking at the as reported metrics for Starbucks, you can't possibly fathom why this company is trading at a 30 times PE. But when you look at the real uniform accounting metrics, you can start to understand why.
Valens Research, the world's leading source for uniform financial analytics.